Alright, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once you've got the Shortcuts app open, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a few tabs. Tap on the one that says Automation. Now you're going to create a new automation. Look for a button that says New Automation. If you already have an automation set up, you won't see the blue New Automation button. Instead, tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new one. Here, scroll down the list of options until you see NFC. Tap on NFC. Now, simply tap on Scan next to NFC tag. Your iPhone is now ready to read an NFC tag. You just need to hold your phone close to the NFC tag you want to use. After your iPhone scans the tag, you'll be able to set up what action should the iPhone perform when the NFC tag is scanned. Honestly, it's super handy once you get it working. You can use NFC tags for all sorts of stuff, like automating tasks, sharing Wi-Fi passwords, or even just getting quick access to websites. It's one of those features that once you start using it, you wonder how you ever lived without it. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on NFC on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.